Modern, minimalist home with expansive glass walls, light wood siding, and dark brick design. Outdoor wood deck with minimal furniture. Green lawn and ornamental grass. Cloudy. Modern two-story brick home with large windows, flat roof, and wood deck. Green garden with ornamental grass, trees, large umbrella, and outdoor furniture. Soft, natural sunlight. A masterpiece of modern architecture, wood and stone facade, large glass windows reflecting the green garden with stone paths, golden hour sunlight shining, warm sunset sky. Modern brick fireplace and glass-walled living room surrounded by dense terraced garden. Sunlight filters through the trees, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. Natural light, lush greenery. Modern brick and glass house with dark metal roof surrounded by green garden and beautiful hedges. A winding stone path leads to the entrance, a combination of bright lights. Modern open-plan kitchen visible through sliding glass doors opening onto wooden deck. Dark gray cabinets, island and bar stools. Green garden with tall grass and plants. Modern single-story house with a vibrant green roof, wide glass accordion doors opening onto wooden deck, surrounded by green, beautifully landscaped garden with ferns, flagstone paths. Modern architectural house with wide glass walls showcasing bright, open-plan living and kitchen area. Comfortable seating around fire pit on outside veranda, which leads to a beautiful garden. Modern house with large windows, wooden design, and a paved patio. A brown sectional sofa with cushions outside. Green lawn, potted plants, and plants surround the property. Modern glass and wood house located in a lush tropical forest. Open-plan living space with minimal furniture. Stone accent wall, large windows reflect the trees. An outdoor living space with glass walls overlooking a dense forest at dusk. Modern furnishings include a deep charcoal sofa, coffee table, and large potted plants. Warm light is from the lighting. A modern glass-walled pavilion suspended above a wooden roof in a dense garden. The outdoor dining table and chairs are on a stone veranda, flanked by large potted plants. Modern, minimalist stone and glass house at sunset. Green, colorful garden in front with stone path. Warm golden hour light illuminates the architecture and reflects in the expansive windows. Modern red brick building with floor-to-ceiling windows, reflective plants. Balcony with numerous potted plants and green garden. Golden hour sunlight streams through the trees. Modern red brick house with large windows, open plan, and a green balcony at sunset. Outdoor seating, dining area, vibrant flowers, palm trees, golden hour light.